How to customize or change bullet points in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. You can see I have some bullet points here. So if you want to change the bullet points, you can simply select the bullet point like this. Just click on the bullet points, and here you can see the bullet list menu. Here you can change the bullet point style. Here checklist menu you have. Okay, if you have checklist you can change from here. And if you want to change the style, you can change the style of bullet points or here. And if you want the more customization in bullet points, just select the bullet points. Okay, just select that bullet points, right click on it, and here you can see the many bullet point style. And under the more bullet points you can see the more characters. Like you can search by categories, you can search by keywords, like you can search for ice cream and all. Okay, so we have many bullet points option here. Okay, so you can change or customize the bullet points as per your required. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.